Welcome back! Today we're getting another Tressiri order packed and ready to ship. These are our beautiful 22-inch and 24-inch Wavy weft bundles. And honestly, this is one of those textures that looks even better in person than it does in photos. As we're packing these bundles, I wanted to take a few minutes to answer some of the questions we receive most often about our hair. The first thing you'll notice is the texture. This is our natural wavy texture. Every bundle has its own unique wave pattern because this is real human hair. We don't manufacture identical waves, and that's actually one of the biggest advantages of authentic raw hair. Each bundle has its own personality while still blending beautifully together. A lot of people ask if this hair is processed. The answer is no. Our raw hair is collected with the cuticles kept intact and aligned in the same direction. That helps reduce tangling, keeps the hair looking healthier, and gives it a much longer lifespan when it is cared for properly. Since it isn't heavily processed with harsh chemicals, the hair keeps its natural strength, softness, and movement. One of the things I personally love is how natural the ends look. Instead of looking overly perfect or artificial, they have the appearance of healthy, real hair because that's exactly what they are. While today we're packing our wavy bundles, Tressiri offers many different textures to suit different styling preferences. If you like a sleek, polished look, our straight texture is a classic choice. It has beautiful natural movement and can easily be curled whenever you want a different style. Our natural wavy texture, like the one you're seeing here, is probably one of our most versatile options. It looks elegant when worn naturally, but it also straightens beautifully and curls very well. If you want more volume and definition, our curly texture gives you fuller curls with plenty of bounce while still maintaining a natural appearance. For customers looking for softer, more relaxed curls, we also offer loose curly textures that provide volume without being overly tight. Depending on availability, you'll also find additional textures throughout our collections, giving you even more options for creating the look you want. Another question we receive often is about lengths. At Tressiri, we offer lengths starting from 8 inches all the way up to 30 inches. Shorter lengths are perfect for bobs, volume, and natural fullness. Medium lengths like 16, 18, 20, 22, and 24 inches remain some of our most popular choices because they offer incredible versatility for everyday styling. If you're looking for dramatic transformations or extra long hairstyles, our 26, 28, and 30-inch bundles create stunning results while maintaining the same premium quality. Color options are another area where we've continued expanding our collection. Our natural black remains one of our best sellers because it blends beautifully with many natural hair colors. We also carry natural brown for those wanting a softer, lighter natural look. Jet black is available for customers who prefer a deeper, richer finish. You'll also find beautiful blonde shades, honey blonde options, gray collections, balayage colors, ombre combinations, and many other shades that continue to grow as we expand our catalog. Whether you're looking for a natural everyday style or something bold and customized, there's a good chance we have a color that fits your vision. Another thing people ask is whether our hair can be colored or heat styled. Since this is real human hair, it can be styled with curling irons, flat irons, and blow dryers just like your own hair. Depending on the specific collection you choose, many of our natural shades can also be professionally colored by experienced stylists. Of course, just like natural hair, proper care makes a huge difference. Using quality products, minimizing excessive heat, and keeping the hair moisturized will help it stay beautiful for a long time. Here you can see us carefully inspecting each bundle before packaging. Every order is checked before it leaves our office because we want customers to receive exactly what they ordered. Once everything is verified, the bundles are securely packaged to help protect the hair throughout shipping. One thing many customers appreciate is that we're based here in Texas. While our premium raw hair is ethically sourced, customer communication and order support are handled through our Texas office. That means if you have questions before placing an order or after your package arrives, you're communicating with our US team. Most in-stock orders ship within approximately 5 to 7 business days, and you'll receive tracking information once your package is on its way. Whether you're a first-time buyer, a professional stylist, a salon owner, or someone who's been wearing extensions for years, our goal is simple. We want to provide premium human hair that looks natural, lasts longer with proper care, and gives you confidence every time you wear it. We're constantly adding new colors, textures, lengths, closures, frontals, clip-in extensions, wigs, and other premium hair solutions, so there's always something new to explore. Thank you for spending a few minutes with us while we pack today's order. We truly appreciate every customer who chooses Tressiri. If you'd like to learn more about our collections, browse different textures, compare colors, or find the right length for your next hairstyle, visit Tressiri.com. We'll see you in the next video, and until then, thank you for supporting Tressiri.